Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 25th of November 2024. So Bitcoin gold stock surge on week as good data wrecks rate cut hopes. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but things reversed drastically overnight and I can't seem to find any reason why. But gold absolutely hammered, and along with the metals as well, and the stocks surging. In the case of even the DAX gapping 88 points on the open. So we'll have a look a bit more in depth on that at the moment. But Friday, small caps lead while dollar hits 2-year highs. European data disappoints. And economic news for today, we've just got the German info business climate. And there's no news overnight. I've had a look here and I can't find out why. What is going on with the markets gapping significantly higher, and then the metals being absolutely hammered. So I don't know whether it's actually premeditated or what, but I can't seem to see any news whatsoever. So if you can find some, let me know, because there's nothing I can see that would actually create this. It's unusual to say the least. S&P news tomorrow. And then, of course, we get into Thursday, where we've got the Thanksgiving holidays, half day on Wednesday, and then a half day on Friday as well. So really, we've only got Monday, Tuesday for full days for the US. Right, let's kick off, have a look at the markets and start off with the Dow. So in the Dow, you can see we've got a 237-point gap. The market has gapped up on the open by 237 points, but I can't see any news anywhere to actually say why it's done this. We've also got a new all-time high there as well at 44,558. So yeah, very, very strange. This is, I've not seen this for a very long time, where the market has done this without any sort of news to back it up. Just really odd. So if you can find some news, then please drop it in the comments, because I'm at a loss to know why the markets have done this overnight. Let's have a look at the DAX. DAX also gapping higher as well there, which you can see in the daily chart. Let's have a look in the 30-minute and see how big the gap was for this market as well. So if we go to the start of the overnight and then up to there. So we've got a gap there of nearly 100 points as well for the Dow, which you can see, the DAX, which you can see from that low up to that high. Market sideways at the moment, but sitting above the high. Again, no idea why this is happening, but it is, and it's the same for the S&P as well. So let's have a look at that as well. So in the S&P, also gapped higher as well, heading towards 89% retracement. The 30-minute chart, again, you can see the gap. Gaps are normally filled. Whether they will be or not, we'll have to wait and see. But another big gap there. Even the FT100 has gapped higher, but is actually making its way back down. So I don't know, whether there was some sort of rumor that Putin was going to put down tools. But if he were, then I can assure you it'd be a lot higher than this. So I just don't know what's actually going on there. You can see the gap, but the gap is coming to be filled. Market needs to hold on the high for the FT100 there. Yeah, all very, very strange. Let's have a look at the US dollar, see if that gives any clues. So in the US dollar, we can see that the market was up on Friday but was sold into, and now starting to find a bit of strength. But that doesn't account for what's going on in the gold and silver market. Let's have a look at that now. Starting off with silver, absolutely being crushed overnight here. 30-minute chart, just no end to it. So this is going to continue to be hammered all day long. I have seen this before, where they've used the paper market overnight to bring the price of gold and silver down and throw millions of ounces at it using paper, but not physical. But there's no stopping it there. And the same for gold. I mean, I've never seen that for a long time either, where it's just being crushed. I mean, that was when Trump was elected. But this is a big move overnight. I mean, that was taken into account all day as well, the day session. But this, I've just not seen it. And there you can see there, so down to Friday's low. And if it continues, then just expect it to keep getting crushed until it finds some buyers. Unless this is some shorts that were that had massive positions that needed to offload, and they did it using a quiet time, which is a Sunday night, Like I say, I've seen that before, so we may find some support at this level for the metals. In the gold-silver ratio, heading back to 90, as I've spoken of for a while now, so heading back up towards 90. That could be easily achieved today if they continue to hammer the price of silver and allow gold to stabilise. Right, let's have a look at the trades for Friday. So on Friday we had the release of all of the flash data. You can see those with the vertical lines. You'll see a lot more of them in a moment. And the market was up in the pre-market. Then we hit the cash market. Prices moving higher up to the R1. We then had a potential buy and a sell signal. Sell first, which was not filled as the market went through the stop before filling the entry price on the long, and then the market trading up to the scalp there in between the news, and the same once again with the second signal, and then the market pulling back there down to the high in the 200 MA, which the market broke, and then headed down to the DP on this weakness, and then prices starting to come back once more with the third and final signal there of the morning. And then as we go through, the market just sideways into the US afternoon session there, and prices once again moving higher along with the Dow. And then it gets a bit messy here. We've got a potential sell followed by a potential buy followed by a potential sell, and then we'll see these disappear as the buy signal won out as far as being filled, but unfortunately then the market sold into it with a potential sell, so stopping out the long, and then down to the 50 EMA for the sell side there. And then of course we head into the evening, and then we've got what we've got at the moment. So let's just have a quick look at this, which we can see markets currently trying to head down now after gapping higher, which we see there in the daily chart. So yeah, interesting what's going on. So if anybody can shed any light on what they can find, that would be great. So let's see what happens for the rest of the day. So with that, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.